This mulberry tree has been a real disappointment. It produces only tiny fruits. So today I grabbed two small branches from my neighbor's tree. We are going to attach them to this one, hoping they will join together and grow as one. First, we need to prepare the science. These are simply small branches taken from a tree that already produces the kind of fruit you want. You will also see the final results, so make sure to watch until the end. Once you've made a cut with the grafting knife, shorten the branch, leaving just 2 or 3 buds. Now I will carefully insert the scion into the cut on the rootstock, making sure the scion cambium lines up perfectly with the rootstock cambium. The next step is not mandatory, but sometimes, before applying the tape, I like to use clay. It helps seal the graft and keeps air from getting in, which can improve the chances of success. Next, I'm going to apply 2 layers of tape to completely seal the graft from insects, water and air. Make sure to properly seal the ends of the scions to prevent them from drying out. Now the easiest part is done. The hardest part comes next, waiting a few weeks to see if the graft has taken. This is the result after 65 days. I consider it a success even though one of the scions didn't take. The thing is, I can't leave 2 scions. One of them will have to be removed even if both end up taking successfully. Let me know in the comments what's your approach in this case. Do you usually keep just 1 scion or leave all of them to grow? Three weeks have passed since the last update. The difference is remarkable. The tree has grown taller and several new branches have started to sprout. As you can see, the tape is clearly stopping the scion from developing, so I think now is the right time to remove it. Since there is dead wood where the cyan didn't take, I'll remove it and clean the area a bit with a knife to help the tree close the wound faster. I'll seal it again a little because rain is coming and I don't want water getting inside. Just look at these huge leaves. You won't get growth like this from a tree you just planted. This is the result of a healthy rootstock with an already established root system. I built a small wooden frame around the tree to lower the chance of it getting accidentally broken. A few more weeks have passed. The trunk's diameter has visibly increased, and the wound is slowly getting smaller. Hit that like button if you are also impressed by this huge growth. And if you ever think about stealing fruit from this tree, just remember it's guarded by the most elite security team. It's been 5 months since I grafted this fruit tree. To be honest, I've never had this much growth in the first year after grafting. It's grown so tall that I can't even reach the top. In the next year, it might produce its first fruit. So if you are also interested in seeing the update, don't forget to subscribe.